Hey everyone, welcome to our Petcha Kutcha presentation. We are the Mighty Condria and today we are sharing our formative assessment of the Junior High Mental Health EMM. We've structured our assessment around the LORI criteria, as well as the Mayor's multimedia and some design principles, which we'll briefly discuss. So let's start. Let's talk about the LORI criteria. It covers the following aspects. However, we're not going to include the standards compliance for this assessment. We gave 4 points for content quality since we noticed that some of the terms might be too complex for junior high school students. For learning goal alignment, we gave it 3 and we suggest incorporating Bloom's measurable verbs for clearer understanding. In terms of feedback and adaptation, 4 points and we recommend integrating feedback for incorrect answers. For the second part, we gave 5 points for motivation, recognizing the strategies employed to engage junior high school students. For presentation design, we scored it a 3 and we'll discuss this further under the EMM and design principles section. We also gave 3 points for interaction usability, suggesting additional navigation options. Regarding accessibility, another 3 points were given with a recommendation to resize the font for better readability. Lastly, we gave 5 points for reusability, noting that the EMM is suitable for a wide range of learners. And as mentioned earlier, standards compliance isn't applicable for this formative assessment. Again, we used LORI in the formative assessment and each criterion is rated on a scale of 1 to 5, with options to select not applicable. We also provided comments or suggestions as seen on the previous slides. For the LORI computation, the total score adds up to 30 points. So let's review Mayor's multimedia principles. We've applied a few principles and we'll discuss them next. First, in line with the coherence principle, you will see that we've adjusted the icons to make room for essential elements, which in this case are the objectives. We've also refined the learning goals by incorporating specific measurable verbs like the recall, analyze, evaluate, and discuss. Moving on to the pre-training principle, we've read a published junior high mental health book to change the description of the key terms, and we'll include it in our reference list. We also moved the title to the top portion to align with the hierarchy design principle. Next is the signaling principle. Pay close attention to how cues have been added to emphasize key information. Cues can be in the form of arrows, circles, bold fonts, and on this EMM, we've used the pointers. For temporal contiguity, we synchronize the timing of the image plus text to display them simultaneously. DCMM effectively demonstrated spatial contiguity and segmenting principles by dividing signs and symptoms into 2 segments and placing related images and text close to each other. And after this slide, for the redundancy principle, let's watch the video to understand the concept.
They can tell you you're no good, that it's all hopeless. But I've discovered this. You are loved and important. They can tell you you're no good, that it's all hopeless. But I've discovered this. You are loved and important.
And that's all for the Mayor's principle, so now we'll discuss some of the design concepts we use for our formative assessment. First is typography. We suggested serif typeface for the research to emphasize the credibility of the study. And then we noticed that this EMM utilized decorative fonts to catch learners' attention. For for the next concept, we observe that most of the EMM slides feature purple and red. These are known to be uplifting and motivating, and we also think these colors are suitable for the topic. Next up is balance and proportion. We arranged the images and text to achieve symmetrical balance, then adjusted the graphics dimensions to make the elements proportional. Then for the repetition and rhythm, the EMM contains similar element, which is the honeycomb, to visually link slides, and then introduce size variation to depict movement. Finally, in terms of emphasis, the mental health EMM highlighted the importance of prayer over meditation and inspirational talk. Here's our list of references for you to take a look at. We hope you've gained new strategies on how to create effective educational multimedia material. Thanks for watching!